Advocaat, because making an alcoholic drink based on egg is probably a good idea, but you know what's probably not a good idea? Trying to carbonate it in the Sodastream, but you know what? These things have to be tried. So first of all, I'm going to shake it like a Polaroid picture to make sure it's super frothy and extra eggy. And then I'm going to open this bottle of eggy goodness. Oh, it smells like fart. No, I think it smells eggy, but the fart, same thing really. And I'm going to pour it into a 500 milliliter bottle. And really, my previous experiences of carbonating creamy liquids, that doesn't sound right, does it? But they've ended badly. But you know what? Maybe this will be the shining jewel amongst creamy liquids. And maybe this will work. So that's 500 milliliters of Advocaat has now been poured into the Sodastream bottle. Obviously you don't have to use a Sodastream. There are other carbonation options these days. I've not tried them yet though. So into the Sodastream it goes and gets locked. And let's carbonate and see what happens. Because what could possibly go wrong? It went up to pressure quite quickly. I'm just extra greedy for carbonation now. Letting the pressure off slowly. I'll give the usual warning. Sodastream don't recommend carbonating anything but water because otherwise it might jam up the valve, and I have a horrible feeling that might happen this time. Maybe not. Oh. Maybe this is the god of creamy liquids. Let's pop that out. It's kind of making eggy fizzy noises. Let's try this out. Is it even going to froth up? There's fog coming out. It's a bit sinister. It's kind of... Should I be really pouring a full glass of this? It does. It has... I don't know if you can see this, but there is fog coming out of it. That's good. Eggy fog. It's a Halloween treat. It has... It has carbonated. It's very odd because it's thick and sticky. That doesn't sound right again, does it? It has carbonated. That's really strange. It's like Advocaat, but it's not super mega bubbly. It's got a very light fizz in the back. It's not unpleasant. The Advocaat, will it carbonate? Well, the answer is yes. It's not carbonated in the normal sense because of its viscosity, but it has taken on the carbonation and it has created quite a nice effect. So the answer to will Advocaat carbonate is yes. Carbonate, yes, Advocaat does carbonate. Nice. I'm liking this. I'm going to drink the rest of this.